An FIR has been made against Hyderabad candidate from the BJP, Madhavi Lata. She's also the challenger to Asaduddin Owaisi. The BJP Neta, remember, directing that imaginary arrow at a mosque. This was at the Ram Navami rally that was organized. But Madhavi Lata has reacted as well, calling the video false and fake, saying arrow did not exist. This was, and we are running that video as well, playing it on your screens right now. This is what happened. She appeared to be throwing an imaginary arrow, which appears to be going toward the mosque. Now she says, but there was no arrow. This was a big escalation in Hyderabad. Madhavi Lata, just to give you a background, is the BJP candidate for Lok Sabha election. She has been pitted against AIMIM's Asaduddin Owaisi, and an FIR has now been filed against her. So that's the big news coming in. Listen in, however, first to what Madhavi Lata had to say.
अरे सच्चाई को बाहर लाने वाले खुद के मुसलमानों को ये लोग जेल के सलाखों के पीछे डालते हैं, तो हमारे ऊपर तो गलत इल्जाम लगाने में तो और माहिर है ये लोग। हम एक ही बात बताना चाहते हैं कि आप कुछ भी कर लो, हमको थोड़ा सा भी नहीं हिला सकते आप, कतई भी नहीं हिला सकते आप। और इस प्रकार के घिनौने हरकतें कर कर आप हमें और मजबूत बना रहे हो।
So that's good. That's likely to become a big hassle. Remember, at this point, to have an FIR filed against election season currently that's on. And this was the video that you saw. And Asaduddin Owaisi's party, AIMIM, already has escalated this and have tried to target her. But more than that, with an FIR that has been filed over this, with her drawing an imaginary arrow. Now, why this has turned more controversial is because when she fires that arrow, there appears to be a mosque from where the yatra is going through. It's proceeding from that lane. And is she aiming that arrow at the mosque? Is this deliberate? Is this a provocation against one community or the mosque? That's the reference being made. And there has now been first a complaint and then an FIR that has been filed with regard to this. Could this become a problem for Madhavi Lata as the election season are currently on as well? Also remember, she has called the video false. She has responded, and we can listen in again to what Madhavi Lata has said. She has said that there is no arrow here. What am I being targeted for? And now we have on the show the complainant who's got that FIR filed against Madhavi Lata. Abdul Bashir brings us that complainant. This is an exclusive that we are bringing to you. Abdul, go ahead. What is the reason? Why was this complaint FIR filed? What is the reasoning behind it for that individual?
Well, Pooja, let me just show you. Right now we are at that spot where this incident, the whole sequence has started, where Madhavi Lata was seen, hitting out an imaginary arrow towards this mosque. This is the Sidambar Bazaar Jama Masjid, which is right here in Afzalganj, lies under Gosha Mahal constituency. Here is where she's alleged to have, pointed out that arrow, wherein she has given a clarification that this was the building where she had pointed out that arrow. So here there are two versions that we are getting. One, the video that shows her arrow being pointed out towards the masjid, and the other is over there. So right now we are having a complainant, Sheikh Imran, with us. आप बताइए कि आपने जो कंप्लेंट दिया है, क्या वजह है
कंप्लेंट की वजह ये है, the reason for the complaint is clearly that not only she violated code of conduct and not only she hurt religious sentiments, she's also lying. That day she fired more than one arrow, and one of the arrows was definitely pointed there, as you have said, towards a commercial establishment, and a second arrow is directed towards the masjid, which is here. And as you can see, at the epicenter of the Sidambar Bazaar, there is nothing but the Muslim masajid here. Since she has done that, since that day, we thought that somebody should, from the public should...
What is the demand that you are putting up?
It's quite a simple demand. She shouldn't speak about the Muslim community, she shouldn't speak about Islam. She should speak about development, she should speak about socio-economic welfare, she should speak about women empowerment and what policies she would want to implement, instead of using Muslims as a tool and targeting some political entity and using that political entity as a tool to target Muslim community. She should come forward and apologize to Muslim community, and she should rub her nose in front of the masjid and say that she is not going to repeat that mistake again, and from now on she is going to abstain from speaking about Muslim community. That is all we want. And since she has been already booked under section 295A, the necessary actions are already under process. And today I've just seen a video that she has come out and said that ये MIM का तोता है। मैडम, मैं तोता नहीं, आपके तोते उड़ गए हैं कि एक कॉमन आदमी आकर आप पे कंप्लेंट कर सकता है।
Okay.
Sheikh
Yes.
Imran, who has filed a complaint against Madhavi Lata in this particular incident. Well, politics, political war erupted between AIMIM and BJP, in particularly to this incident, where AIMIM has clearly said that Madhavi Lata is trying to disturb the peace and harmony in the city of Hyderabad, while BJP's Madhavi Lata has clearly denied that she has pointed the arrow towards this masjid. which is
Hyderabad,
right behind me.
remember, goes to elections on the 13th of May. So there's still time for this. Could that bring trouble for Madhavi Lata? Abdul Bashir is right at that location where that yatra had proceeded through. Now, she fired an arrow. Did she mean that the arrow was being fired toward the mosque? Because now a complaint FIR has been filed against her. And this is a developing story. We'll be tracking the latest on that. You listen to the complainant who has gone ahead with it and says, I'm not from AIMIM. Appreciate you joining us, Abdul Bashir, for the latest on that.